Altair was founded in 1985 by Jim Scapa, our CEO. It's a global technology company with 3,000 employees in more than 25 countries. Last year our revenue were about $572 million, equally split between America, EMEA and APAC. We have more than 13,000 customers using our software applications in 3 domains. So simulation and design, like radios, but also data analytics and artificial intelligence, as well as high-performance computing and cloud. And indeed, this is more than 150 applications that our customers can use. Some of them are from Altair, but also others from partners. And in fact, they list some tokens, and with those tokens, like a currency, they can run all the applications. So it's a big, let's say, advantage, and this maximizes their return on investment. So our latest collaboration is about benchmarking radios with the 5th generation of Intel Xeon Scalable processors. So radios is an industrial tool used in the industry and especially in automotive to do crash analysis since more than 35 years. And indeed, we can do a lot of impact application simulation with radios. For example, look at the impact of a cell phone dropping on the floor, things like that. So the idea with radios is to replace costly physical prototype by, let's say, virtual prototype, with the ability to, let's say, simulate it and to optimize the design at the early stage. And indeed, this is really exciting news because this is the first time that we will show some performance result with this new platform. And indeed, the results are impressive. We have seen and observed running crash application that with this 5th generation of Xeon Scalable processors, radios is running 2 times faster than 3rd generation. And indeed, this is a big leap for our customers because this allows to run more simulation, more accurate simulation, faster, so to be able to do more experience and to then innovate, improve their design faster.
Altair and Intel have been collaborating for years. We share a common vision on open source software development practices. From an Intel perspective, Pat Gelsinger, Intel CEO, has said that Intel is committed to responding to the needs of the open source development community. I see exciting future opportunities for Altair and Intel to collaborate on open source practices and projects, like Intel's advanced measures AI extensions for accelerating AI workloads.
Last year, we launched Open Radios, the open source version of radios. And the vision is really to democratize the usage of explicit dynamics, the technology behind radios. We want to grow an active, engaged community of users, but also contributors from research to industry, all together to collaborate to accelerate innovation pace. And indeed, as we release the open source version, we continue to release also the commercial software, Altair Radios. So this positions radios as the only industry standard open platform for crash and impact. And by the way, I encourage everyone to go to openradios.org and to look at testimonials, and especially at Joe Curley, VP and GM at Intel, talking about those, let's say, shared values of open platform and how Intel is supporting Open Radios initiative. So Altair announced Altair Liquid Scheduling for PBS Professional, and in fact this is really a game changer in the HPC landscape. So with this new tool, it's possible to deploy across multiple scheduler domains in a transparent way. So for the end user, this means that he can access more resources without having to change his workflow. And in addition to this tool, we also announced Altair Insight Pro, which is an advanced reporting tool that are connected to our AI and data analytics applications. So you see, and this is something that we see in our domain, this convergence between AI, data analytics, simulation, and high-performance computing.
So AI is changing everything we do at work. AI is now being used in HPC workflows, and our customers are saying, how do I accelerate these HPC workloads to get to my insights faster? Intel's latest CPU, the 5th generation Intel Xeon Scalable processor, has AI acceleration in every core and is ready to accelerate the market's demanding AI workloads. Intel is moving beyond just hardware. Instead of developing a model from scratch, many developers want to use open source pre-developed models. Intel is working to develop open source pre-trained models that are easily customizable. And there's no need to wait for hardware. Thanks to the largest processor ecosystem in the world, broad supply availability for the most demanding workloads, Intel processors have an open standards framework so you can add accelerators and GPUs. So Intel's focus at Supercomputing 2023 is threefold. First of all, we're meeting with our customers and our partners to understand their pain points, also to find out where they see the market moving into the future. Secondly, Intel is showcasing AI accelerator high-performance computing with leadership performance for HPC and AI workloads across the Intel Data Center GPU Max series, Intel Gaudi 2 AI accelerator, and Intel Xeon processors. And in partnership with Argonne National Laboratory, Intel is sharing the progress on the Aurora generative AI project, including an update on the 1 trillion parameter GPT-3 large language model on Aurora supercomputer, which is made possible by the unique architecture of the Max series GPU and the system capabilities of the Aurora supercomputer.
Intel and Altair has a long story of free-tool collaborations, whether it is on solvers like Radios, but also on other tools like PBS Professional, on let's say porting on CPU and also GPU, and also using the Intel tools like OneAPI. So you see, it's a long story and really exciting by collaborating again with Intel.